All right, project update number 3. We've got the demo and trusses going in right now. That's the old kitchen. We got exterior doors installed. This is with the roof half off where they were getting ready to install the trusses. We've got all of the interior ripped apart, ready for the inspectors to come in. We need to do all new sewer lines, sewer, plumbing, electrical, everything needs to be new. There's the new trusses. Picture the old charred trusses there prior to having the new ones put in. Pretty significant difference. There's the living room and the 2-bedroom looking into the kitchen. And the hallway. So pretty big changes overnight. It's the first week of 2021. Here's the roof in the 1-bedroom smoke damaged unit. We just decided to structurally made sense to replace all these trusses. You can see some of them are broken. And we just didn't really know the structural viability of keeping them in place, so we went ahead and replaced them. It's part of the business plan, and I think it was a good decision there. It'll also pass inspection a lot faster. So there's the 1-bedroom unit, and then the living room and the 1-bedroom unit with all the trusses going in. First week of January 2021, good way to kick off the year here. This officially, I think, is the most trusses I've ever seen in any one video from Viper Ventures, so we'll call it a first here. You can see quite a bit of trash in the upper right corner. Had to get that all cleaned up. That's the roof removed and buttoned up until we got the trusses, and then you can see them installing there. Getting ready here to put the sheeting on, which is already done in the first week of 2021. Made pretty quick work of it once we got the big pieces of the puzzle delivered. You can see there on the right side of the screen, that's the 2-bedroom that the drone's over right there, and as we move forward, that's the 1-bedroom unit that it's going over. Put some auto gate closers on just to keep the property all buttoned up and gates closed, and then somebody donated their shoes to us. We'll have to remove those off the power lines. That's it.